Welcome to my channel CTET Live. Today we will do the previous year question of CDP. Let's start the class. Question number 1. In Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, the two complementary processes of accommodation and assimilation are a part of. Our option is adaptation. Number B, zone of proximal development. C, concept map. D, advanced organizer. And our answer is adaptation. Question number 2. While Jean Piaget gives importance to dash in children's learning, Lev Vygotsky considered dash to be important. And our answer is maturation and cultural tool. Let's move to the question number 3. According to Lev Vygotsky, which of the following is not an appropriate pedagogy to promote cognitive development? And our option is reproduction and recall. Question number 4. Carol Gilligan critic that Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development devalues feminine morality that emphasizes, and our option is an ethic of care, moral ideals, an ethic of justice, concern for the societal goods, and our option A is our answer, an ethic of care. In Piagetian theory, the process in which a child transforms and modifies her schema to make sense of new experiences is called accommodation. Dash occurs when children transform their experiences to fit into their existing schemes, and our answer is assimilation. Asfa hold up a potato chip and say butterfly. According to Jean Piaget, this kind of symbolic thought is a characteristic of pre-operational stage. Lev Vygotsky considers which factor to be important in influencing the cognitive development of children, and our option is culture and language is the answer. Option number A is our answer. Question number 8. Lev Vygotsky's sociocultural theory emphasizes teaching learning through peer interaction and scaffolding. Which of the following technique has been proposed by Lev Vygotsky for teaching primary school children? And our answer is instructional scaffolding. Question number 10. According to Lawrence Kohlberg, at which level of moral development does the child display good boy, good girl orientation? And our answer is conventional level. Which of the following theories use cognitive development approach to explain the moral reasoning among children? Our answer is Jean Piaget. Children actively construct their understanding of their world is proposed by Jean Piaget. In context of teaching learning, which of the following strategy is discouraged by Lev Vygotsky? And our answer is expository teaching. While arranging the piece of a puzzle, Methi speaks loud to direct her own action. Lev Vygotsky referred to use of which language for self-regulation as private speech. According to Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development, at which stage of moral development do individuals define right action by self-chosen ethical principle of consensus that are valid for all humanity regardless of law and social agreement? And our answer is the universal ethical principle orientation. Jean Piaget theory is critic for having purpose 4 stages of cognitive development. Which debate of child development does this fall under? Number C is continuity or discontinuity is our answer. According to Jean Piaget cognitive development theory, which of the following is essential for cognitive development? And our answer is active exploration of the surroundings. Which of the following is the critic of Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development? And our answer is Kohlberg approach to moral reasoning underestimates the moral maturity of female. According to Piaget, during which period of development does the child begin to use symbol to represent object and logical reasoning emerge? Answer is pre-operational stage. Aman is trying to fix the piece of a puzzle, but he is struggling to fit the correct part of at the right place. His mother provides hints and cues in the form of how, what, and why. According to Lev Vygotsky theory of learning, this strategy of learning wills answer is act as a scaffold for learning. In Lev Vygotsky theory, assisted discovery is added by peer collaboration. At which stage of moral reasoning is in Lawrence Kohlberg theory do children believe that the rules must be enforced in the same manner for everyone and each individual must obey them as his personal duty? And our answer is social order maintaining orientation. From a Piagetian perspective, the process of taking new information into the existing body of knowledge is called assimilation. Mina has begun to use word and started understanding that what's presented object. She is also beginning to reason logically, though she cannot perform conservation. According to Jean Piaget, which stage of cognitive development is Mina in? Pre-operational stage is our answer. Which one of the following development theory advocate that cognitive development precedes symbolic language development in a child? And our answer is Piaget cognitive development theory. The concept of zone of proximal development has been proposed by Lev Vygotsky. Which statement correctly lays outside the fundamental principle of Lev Vygotsky theory? Answer is learning is a social activity. According to the theory of Lawrence Kohlberg, at which level in moral thinking and thinking based on a taking initiative perspective of the society? And our answer is conventional. At a particular stage, child begin to use primitive reasoning and want to know the answer for all sort of question. Piaget called this initiative as a per Piaget, which of the following stage he means? Pre-operational. Who has given more stress on the philosophy of social constructivism? And option is Vygotsky. Which is the final stage of cognitive development according to Jean Piaget? And our answer is formal operational stage. Who proposed the psychoanalytical theory of personality? Our answer is Sigmund Freud. From a Piagetian perspective, the process of taking new information into the existing body of knowledge is called assimilation. Mina has begun to use word and start understanding that words represent object. She is also beginning to reason logical through she cannot perform conservation. According to Jean Piaget, which stage of cognitive development is mean in pre-operational? The concept of zone of proximal development has been proposed by Lev Vygotsky. Which statement correctly lays out the fundamental principle of Lev Vygotsky theory? Our answer is learning is a social activity. According to Jean Piaget, the process of development change takes place through which of the following specific cognitive function? And our answer is assimilation and accommodation. A 5-year-old child was given 10 pebbles by her teacher. She put the pebbles in a different formation. Example: a short line, a long line, and a circle. She counted these pebbles repeatedly. Which of the following cognitive schema is the attempting to attain according to Jean Piaget? Conservation of number. According to Lev Vygotsky, the process of cognitive development is mediated by cultural tool. Development in a zone of proximal development, according to Lev Vygotsky, can be facilitated through, and our answer is collaborative dialogues. Thank you for watching this race.